Hi guys, welcome back to Vlogmas. We are now on day 9.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Today we have a very special guest, my husband, Vinny. You may have seen him in the wedding video, but I think it's been
Long time.
4 years since, I think that's what we said earlier, 4 years?
Since we made a video.
Since we've made a video together. I took a poll on Instagram asking you guys if you would rather see us doing a drunk gingerbread house challenge or a Q&A. A lot of you guys said that you wanted to see both. So we figured we would do the Q&A first since some of the questions are a little bit more meaningful. I didn't want to be really drunk while we answered those. So we'll do the Q&A first and then we will drink and then go make gingerbread houses. So the first question is our favorite date night or ideal date night? I know what I say, but
Just what, like hanging out at home?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna say getting DoorDash or like picking up food, coming home, watching Netflix,
If there's something good on.
or playing video games. Yeah, our favorite thing to do is just be home, be as comfortable as possible.
Yeah. That's right.
Vinny works really long hours, so we like to just be at home when we can. Our favorite trip you've nope, okay.
Do you ever put bloopers in the end?
So sometimes I'll just leave them in like the middle.
Or like it. Go on.
A favorite trip we've ever taken together.
Favorite trip we've ever taken? I thought it said never. I'm like,
Favorite trip we've never taken
oh, well,
together.
it's gotta be Italy.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was pretty.
Yeah,
great trip.
If you haven't seen it, I have a vlog about our Italy trip, but that was our honeymoon that we took, and we were there for 2 weeks. We went to Rome, Florence. What was the last place we went?
Tuscany.
Naples. Yeah, we went to Tuscany too for a day, but
yeah,
that's probably the best trip we've ever been on.
Yeah, that was a great trip. It was.
Ow! So many kisses.
Yeah.
How did you meet your husband?
No, it was
2008.
8, yeah.
Let's go back to 2008. We're in a bagel store. Vin's brother owns the bagel store. I got a job there. I started working there, and then a few months later, your mom asked you to help Dan out. Right?
Yeah.
And so he went to go help out his brother and was working there for a little bit, and that's how we met.
Yeah, that's how we met. Yep.
Where we have our first kiss.
In a giant walk-in freezer.
Yeah, we did.
That's pretty cool.
It was.
Yeah, that's cool.
What is your favorite part about being married?
What is it like being married?
Yeah.
It's
The same.
It's the same. It's very nice. Yeah.
Kind of the same. Well, we've kind of always like taken our relationship very seriously.
Yeah. We were always
lived together for
long time.
7 years before we
probably
actually got married. So not a lot changed.
No.
When we got married, it just felt like weird to say husband.
Correct.
And wife.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes. Absolutely.
I think that was like the biggest thing. And
Still
I
is,
felt more like an adult.
I didn't. Yeah.
Oh, no, you did not? I felt like I had like more responsibility.
You might have.
Yeah.
I don't know if I got it anymore. You still haven't changed your name yet.
No, I have not.
But sounds like it's a real.
It will be getting changed, but it's a lot of work.
Yeah.
I love your eyeglasses from your Vlogmas. Day 7. Where did you buy them? All of my glasses are from Firmu. I will have a link in the description, and that will save you, I think, 50% off your first pair of glasses from there. And they're already really cheap. I love those glasses. I bought Vin a few pairs from there too. They're really good. Firmu. Yeah, that's like the place where I get the.
Oh, we got 3 at once.
Yeah, the
cool.
cheaper eyeglasses. What was it like when you moved in together for the first time? Okay, so this was about like 7-8 years ago?
Yeah, it's hard to put an exact time on that because it was like, I guess every relationship, you start sleeping over each other's houses a little, and then it just becomes the norm, and you kind of lose track of before and after. So it was a very smooth
Yeah, nothing.
Yeah, nothing
Changed.
Yeah.
I think you probably just saw how messy I was.
Not anymore.
You're the messy one now.
I am?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I'm still very messy. But I clean up my messes.
Yeah.
Usually.
I don't clean up my messes.
No.
I gotta work on that.
No, it's okay. What has your biggest challenge/achievement been since getting married? You've had a lot, both, I guess. Personal challenges, not like challenges like pertaining to
Our relationship. Yeah,
no
challenges there.
So, well, you have many accomplishments.
No, I
since
don't.
Getting married.
Stop.
He graduated medical school since we got married. Graduated magna cum laude from med school.
Stop.
That's a huge accomplishment. You got a residency position. That's a huge accomplishment. Do you work or just do YouTube? No, I do work also. I do eyelash extensions. I have my own business. Vinny is a blossoming YouTuber. No, he is not starting a channel. He is a general surgeon. What's something that your partner does that annoys the crap out of you?
No. Well, I don't know.
Oh, I can think of like 10 things that I do that probably annoy you. That you've complained about before.
Oh, can I curse now?
Yeah.
I don't know. You know, you're extremely easy and wonderful to deal with in life all around. You're just like the best. You're so. I have no complaints.
That's not true
at all. I really don't. But little things maybe. There's nothing that annoys the crap out of me at all.
Maggie, come here, Bubba's. When I leave the closet doors and the
That's
bedroom
it.
open,
That's like you leave lights on.
I leave
all
lights
the time.
on.
It's not a problem. It's
I turn the heat up without.
I
turn the heat up. We play this game.
That's
where
fine.
We both go to the thermostat at like separate times, very sneakily, and we'll like touch it without saying anything.
She goes up, I go down.
And then like I'll feel it's like cold, and he like turned it down a degree, where he's like, "It's so hot in here." Like I turned it up like 2 degrees or something.
You do this. You.
Oh, see now it's coming out.
I thought
Okay,
of something.
okay.
In bed, like you'll get comfortable and you'll put your pillow so it works for you, but you'll have the majority of the pillow jutting into my face. So I'll be like this, you know.
I'm like, oh wow, I'm so comfortable, and my pillow's like his face like this.
Her residual pillow is jamming my head in the other direction.
I sleep with like 4 pillows, so like one is like against the back of the bed, one I sleep with my head on, one is in between my legs, and then I also sometimes like one like in front of me to like
I like the triple, I like the arms, the legs,
like
and then the head.
A fort of pillows, so I think
Yeah.
one is like bound to make it into like your eye somewhere.
You do steal the blankets a lot, but that's alright. I don't care.
I do steal the blankets a lot.
What do I do? I put things away in the wrong places.
Oh. He doesn't even look what else is in the surrounding area before he puts something away.
Maggie.
Buzz, come here. So, like, he'll be emptying the dishwasher, and I swear he does this on purpose, because he doesn't. He wants to be exonerated from future chores. But yeah, no, you put stuff away, like, in the totally wrong spot. Like, I found a bowl in our, like, deep utensil drawer one time.
Deep utensil?
Yeah, like our deeper utensil drawer.
Oh, you know, we had a deep utensil
It's just
drawer.
a deeper drawer with utensils in it.
Yeah, the ones over by the other.
Yeah.
A bowl?
Yeah, you put,
maybe
like,
it was a
bowls in
mixing
there.
bowl or something.
Were there any other mixing bowls in there?
I don't know. I don't remember.
That's a no. I can say that there were not. If you don't answer this well, I'm not going to invite you back on.
All right.
Okay. How do you balance your careers, being apart, and making sacrifices in your career for the other, etc.?
Just by doing what we have to do. We work, and then when we're not working, we spend all our time together.
Basically.
That's the balance, right?
Basically, yeah. Although, I have a lot of flexibility in my schedule. Well, first of all, I just like having my own hours and, you know, things like that. But I knew his schedule was going to be so crazy, and I'd rather have a more flexible schedule, you know, so I can spend time with him, or it's like, oh, he has a random day off. Okay, yeah, so do I. Like, you know, it works out that way.
Yeah, you're right, yeah.
And
Since we're both, you have the flexible schedule and I don't.
We also, like you said, we prioritize each other, because it's not like you'll text me and be like, hey, I'm going out with my friends
Yeah.
tonight. Like, we don't really, if we go out, it's like together. Or usually not at all.
Yeah.
More likely.
Right.
4 years ago,
Yeah.
for 2 years, we
Oh,
were
school?
long distance.
Oh, God, yeah.
That was really hard because he would be away for
4 months at a time.
3, 4 months at a time. That really sucked. A lot of FaceTime.
Yeah, watch movies together.
Yeah, that would actually be our favorite thing to do. We would both put on Netflix and like start it at the same time.
Yeah,
and we would watch TV together, like while FaceTiming. That was fun.
Yeah, that was cool. So that's the end of this. Now we're going to
Are you just
compete.
taking over now? Okay, bye. I'm gonna change my shirt.
You are?
Yeah.
All right.
I know that I'm gonna get warm, and I'm gonna be competitive. I don't want.
She's gonna be sweating all over the place.
I don't want sleeves. Hindering my
You're gonna be
arm
warm
performance.
and competitive. So you need to be sleeveless?
Yep.
What are you talking about? It's crazy.
Alright guys, that is going to conclude this video. Thank you so much for asking questions and watching, and we will see you guys very soon.
Bye. Ew, what's in this bag? Mangoes? Shit's gross.
This is how I sleep.
Yeah.